So hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So this is a good budget tab from what I know. I'm gonna unbox it and review it and set it up in one video. Either way, let's get started.
Have a sing-along.
Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to just take a look at the features on the box if they've mentioned any. So as you can see, we have the branding on one side, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and then over here we have the overview of the tab itself. I got chiffon pink, chiffon pink 64 GB. And then on this side we have the S Pen. But either way, without any further delay, let's get started. Here we go. I've got my blade and we're going to unbox it this side. Should work. Nope, never mind. Okay, so now this, yep, here we go. Let's do the satisfying compilation. Okay, now let's flip it around. There's quite a bit to cut here. Okay, then there's something to cut on this side. Okay, now we flip it and it slides out. Okay, here we have the tab itself. We'll take a look at this, put this off to the side, but now let's take a look at what else we get. Starting off with this, we have a SIM ejector tool, and it's a quite simple one. And then we have some books, of course guides, setup guides and all. Nobody is going to read that. So next up we have a charging cable. Okay, so yeah, so this is a UK adapter if I'm correct. And yeah, up next we have this is a charging plug, sorry, not cable. We have, of course, now we have the cable itself. Boom. And we have, after this, the S Pen, the Samsung Pen, S Pen. Let's take a look at this together along with the tab. So here, let's pull out the S Pen first. It's quite a good one. It's just like the Apple Pen. We have a curved edge with one flat side, which is good, which allows it to stick to the tab. Now let's get on with the tab. I'm opening this for the first time. Okay. And it slides out. So here's the tab. But let's take out the cover on the camera. Boom. Okay, so before we turn it on, as you can see here, the sound by AKG. This is of course Samsung licensed. But let's take a quick little overview around the tab. We have one USB port, not USB, one microphone port, headphone, headset, microphone, whatever you want to do. We have a USB Type-C port, speaker, And we also believe have a SIM ejector somewhere. So there's okay. So bottom again, once again. Then we have one camera at the back. One camera at the back. So let's power this on. Here we go. Okay, turned on. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite secured by Knox. Of course, powered by Android. Okay, there's another thing to peel. We'll peel that off later. Meanwhile, as that's turning on, let me try to get this up. Yeah, here. We should have another one. Yeah. Should have another one here. But okay, yeah, the tab is on. Welcome. Start. Here. One now. Let me just zoom out. Okay, so I believe it should be properly visible now. So here it says welcome, and in English, that is the language, United Kingdom. Start. Okay, so for your review, end user agreement, agree to all, optional. Yeah, agree to all, agree. Okay, next up, permissions for Samsung apps. New, agree. Okay, choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay, I'm just gonna enter the password and be right. Okay, I've entered Wi-Fi password. Let's connect. Okay, there we go. Okay, so checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. Okay, so that takes a few minutes. Let's take a look around the tab. Make sure that there is. Yeah, there looks to be a sticker. But I just can't find where it is. Does it start? Okay, wait. So I found this image SIM port where you put the SIM card. Okay, let's do that later, but now, here we go. You can choose to transfer apps, photos, and contacts and Google account and more. I'm gonna click don't copy. I wanna restore it again. Okay. Checking info. Okay. That's checking info. We're going to okay, here we go. So I'm gonna put in my email. Okay, put in my email, sign into my Google account, and I'm gonna meet you. Okay, I've signed in. I did the 2-step verification, and yeah. Good. So we have okay. So these are the options where you can do to protect your tablet. Password, pin, pattern, facial. Okay, I think I've peeled everything. Now we're gonna check out the Samsung Pay. So as you can see,